My name is Shah. I'm a social media ambassador at Universal Australia. This is Tupperware 3-liter rice maker. It's in November offer. It's a beautiful piece to have in every house. Our microwave item, it says 50% of energy. Cook the rice. You take 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 15 minutes your rice will be cooked. These are the great levels of heat. You should not cross the maximum level. Plus, when you want to open, hold one side and lift to open the lid. Use an inner lid. This helps for the steam to come out. And that's the rice maker where you put the rice and the water. And also, it's really good for university students also. And your rice will not get burnt. You can also do ugali, that is our Kenyan staple food. We have also the cake, 6 minutes to bake. And the beautiful offer additional with the rice maker is any item of Tupperware you buy of 3,102 shillings, you can buy our 7-liter. That's about 1,131 shillings, and you will save 2,448 shillings on our. That's about